Imagine getting unlimited coins on the AI-powered Kling website in a very easy way. This method allowed me to use the site to earn over 2,000 coins for free. The method is using fake Google emails and getting 166 free coins per email. I used more than 20 fake emails, meaning I've earned over 2,000 coins so far. However, there's one problem, and I'll explain how to solve it in the video. But first, we need a website to generate fake Google emails. I searched extensively on YouTube and Google, but none of the sites worked because there aren't any free fake Google emails available, except for one free site. I went to the site and started using the first Google email. I went to the Kling website, and when I registered with the email, that's where the problem arose. The email was already in use, so I had to use a different one. The solution to this problem was that I used multiple email addresses until I found one that wasn't registered on the site. When I logged in, I received 166 free coins. However, I needed to be sure I could actually use these coins, so I decided to create a video using artificial intelligence. I uploaded an image to the site and converted it into a video, which took about 3 minutes. The video was then created, and that's how I succeeded. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. It helps me a lot.